Stone has been used in construction since prehistoric times. From the Roman Empire to the Middle Ages, stone buildings were celebrated for their wealth, security, and longevity. Even today, many structures rely on the strength and resilience of stone. Around the world, stone houses take on unique characteristics in different cultures, whether it's the traditional countryside cottages in England or the stone tower houses in Georgia. Each reflects distinct architectural and cultural nuances. Stone houses captivated not only for their durability but also for their aesthetic appeal. The natural colors and textures of stone provide a picturesque view in every season. When combined with modern designs, stone houses seamlessly blend timeless elegance with contemporary style. Many historical stone houses are being restored and equipped with modern comforts. These projects aim to preserve the elegant texture of the past while enhancing the practicality of the homes. Restoration endeavors serve as inspiration for architecture enthusiasts.